One thing about me, I am all about saving money and stacking money. Hey beautiful people, welcome back to another video. Today's video is a little bit different. It's my first time really doing this, and I wanted to share with you guys my affordable beauty maintenance. One thing about me, I love saving money and I love seeing my money stack in my account, and I don't care how much money I gross. I am not going to spend excessive money because I really pride myself on being pretty self-sufficient. So one thing, doing my hair, that's a talent, saves money. Doing my nails, I know y'all see it, that's a talent. Doing my own skincare, especially on days when I don't really want to wear makeup. You see this? This is like a very fresh, natural base. No foundation, no concealer. Just filled in brows, a little bit of mascara, and of course some lip gloss. But this is how I do it. So first, let's get into this hair. One thing about me, y'all, when I am tired of my hair being all out, I'm gonna do a slick back. My slick backs are so easy. It's just one of those like little curly flipped up buns, and I'm just gonna do all the magic right here by simply tying my hair down. Now when I do this, I'm definitely about to go to bed, and I leave it on for the entire duration of the night, obviously. And then when you take it down in the morning, your waves will be on swim. I try to make sure I don't tie it too tight, because there's definitely been instances where I've tied it too tight and I have like such a bad headache and you will not be able to sleep at night. But please don't do that. And then to moisturize, I love going in with this lotion right here. I swear by this. Every time I'm in Target, I always get this. Like, I actually run through this. I don't even think this lasts me like a month. I'm definitely like 3 weeks in, have to go get some more. This is the EOS 24-hour moisture body lotion, vanilla cashmere. TikTok convinced me to get this a couple months ago, and I've been hooked ever since. Like, the last lotion that I've used, usually like body butters. I really do like the Taraji P. Henson vanilla body butter too. They sell it at Walmart. It's very affordable. I love that. But like just your everyday use, I always go in and moisturize with this. Next, we're gonna move on to nails. I don't care what anyone says. I'm definitely not that person that's gonna go to the nail salon and pay $100+ for some nails when you could just do some press-on nails. And I'm gonna show you guys how I make mine last for like 2+ weeks. Basically like they're regular acrylics. Before we do that, I want to show you guys these eye patches that I'm going to put on when we get ready to do this skincare. What I like to do is go put them in the refrigerator and let them chill for a little bit before I do my skincare, because I don't know, I just like the effect that it gives me. It feels like I'm just doing my own little spa day. And I like buying mine in a 100-pack. You can get these off of Amazon. It will be in my description box down below. First off, I want to give a special thank you to Glamnetic Nails for sending over some beautiful styles. I love wearing Glamnetic nails. Their nails are so durable and they're long lasting. They have the perfect shapes, the perfect styles, and the perfect colors. I always get a very long wear out of them. So the style I'm going with today is the Madame, which is a beautiful almond tipped French tip. You can never go wrong with French tips. They're very classy. So these are the tools that I use to prep my nails, you guys, and it is so simple and easy. So first off, these are how my bare nails look. You know, pretty crusty and dusty. So I'm going to go in with that nail drill first on a very low setting and just kind of buff and file down the surface of my nail a little bit. You want to make sure you do this. This is definitely one of the key factors that keeps the nails on for about a good 2 to 3 weeks. And again, you want to kind of get off any excess oil or excess glue that might still be on the nail. I also like to kind of go around very close to that cuticle, kind of just push that back a little bit. And this is how it looks. And then I'm going to go in and cut down some of the nails. They're pretty much already short. But a key to this too is if you're going in with a shorter nail style or something that's slightly see-through with the polish, you want to make sure your nails are pretty short. Then I go in with this cuticle cutter. I guess that's what you call this tool, not really sure. But again, I just kind of go up and kind of manicure those cuticles a little bit more. If you do this, this also helps the nails last a little bit longer and just, you know, make it look overall neat, because, you know, cuticle overgrowth just kind of looks a little disgusting whenever you put nails on. But this is how it looks. And now I'm ready to go in and size my nails. Now this is the fun part. This is what comes in each nail kit. So you're going to have an alcohol pad. Not all nails come with this, but Glamnetic Nails does. And I'm going to use that just to wipe the surface of my nail before I get started. And then the excess size or the additional size nails are on the inside. And then I always use that little toothpick tool. It's not a toothpick, but the wooden tool to wipe any excess glue. But how I size my nails is very simple. I like to just kind of slide down or slide to the back of that cuticle. You want to make sure that the nail is fitting from side to side. It doesn't need to be too small, and you also don't want it to be too large to where it's, you know, on the side of your skin. You don't want that because it'll just kind of like pop off. But again, I just kind of slide and fit to side. And then I kind of put the nails in order just to kind of guide me. And before I apply them, I like to go in with the nail drill and also kind of buff the inside of the nails. This is just what makes it really stick to your nail when you put the glue on. It's almost like scoring it in the inside a little bit to make sure it really adheres to your nail really good. And I'm just kind of trying to show y'all how it looks. It should look like that in the inside. And then I'm just going to go in with that alcohol pad and wipe the surface of my nail. It's okay if it doesn't come in your kit. You can use rubbing alcohol or just simply wash your hands to get any excess oil off. And then I go in with some nail dehydrator. This is also very key. It's just going to dry your nail bed a little bit further just to make sure like the glue is super duper tacky on your nail and for the nails to last really long. And then I go in with my Nail Bond NY K1 nail glue. When I tell you guys this nail glue is the truth, what I like to do is put a layer on my real fingernail, and I'm gonna let that get tacky, and then I'm gonna take the nail and add the glue to it on the surface, kind of spread that around, and then I like to take a little dollop of glue and kind of put it towards that the the tip area where the cuticle is. And then I just take the nail and I kind of like slide it back down into the cuticle, and I like to hold for a good 45 seconds. And then boom, your nail is on there and it's not going nowhere. Like if I can do my hair dishes with these nails and it lasts for 2 or 3 weeks, you know this technique is the truth. So again, paint your nail with the glue, then go in the nail with the glue, add a little dollop at the cuticle area, and then slide back into the cuticle with the nail and hold it down for 45 seconds. And you want to make sure you do it this way too, because it just kind of makes sure that there's no air bubbles. If you have air bubbles, that usually makes it not last as long. And if you have excess glue coming out, it's totally fine. That's where I use the wooden tool just to kind of wipe the excess off. And these are my nails. And then I like to go in and kind of file it down just a little bit, not too much, but really just kind of file and get to the shape of my finger a little bit more. This just makes sure it looks extremely polished and well put together on your nails. And then after this, the last step is adding that cuticle oil. I swear by this, when you put this on your nails, this is what makes it look salon quality, and y'all cannot convince me otherwise. A lot of people say they don't like press on nails because it doesn't last long, it looks too fake. But with Glamnetic nails, the quality is just so awesome, and then the technique that I use just makes it look literally like I walked out of the nail salon. Do y'all see that? A perfect manicure, literally. And it was so therapeutic to do this too. And then for skincare, I love using the Urban Skin RX Even Skin Tone Cleanser. And I like to pair it with my own little exfoliating scrub pad instead of using the pads that come in the cleanser, because I don't like to close it back in the cleanser because that can like create mold and stuff. So I like to use this and let it air dry outside of the container. But y'all, I swear by this cleanser, it definitely helps fade any dark marks if you have acne scarring, and it really keeps your acne at bay. And it just feels really good with this little scrubber. You can get these on Amazon. I got mine at TJ Maxx. They usually have a pack of these. And then I just wipe that off, and I'm going to go in with a charcoal scrub. I like to do scrubs like once every other week, not too much. And sometimes I'll end up doing a mud mask, but I'm just kind of showing you guys I do have some blemishes, especially when it's around that time of the month. You just kind of break out a little bit. But I love Freeman Beauty masks. They usually have like mud mask, charcoal mask, and this one is a scrub. And this set I actually purchased from Ulta Beauty. You can get this online as well, and I love that it came with a little skincare spatula for me to apply it on my face pretty smoothly. And then once I apply it, I let it sit just a little bit, and then I come back and I rub it and kind of like massage it in, and then rinse off. And for my moisturizer, I've been loving the e.l.f. Beauty Holy Hydration Gel Moisturizer. I love the texture of it. It's like a gel, literally. I kind of put too much on, and I'm going to put it on my neck. But it dries down to like this matte finish, so it doesn't feel like greasy on your skin. And then once I rub this in, I like to go on top of that for my eye treatment with the Kiehl's Avocado Eye Cream, which is very thick and creamy and definitely helps if you have bags under your eyes, but really just keeps that delicate area very moisturized. And now the last and final step that I love so much, the gold patches. When you take this out of the refrigerator, it just has this cooling sensation that feels so good on your skin, especially after you've put your eye moisturizer under your eyes. Y'all, this just is like this super zen feeling, and your skin just looks so rejuvenated in the morning. Like, I love it so much. And then I go in with this e.l.f. lip balm, and this is in the scent Peaches or Peach. And this is like my little gloss that I put on my lips before I go to bed. But that's it, you guys. This is literally my skincare and affordable maintenance routine. Alright, and that concludes my affordable beauty maintenance routine, you guys. I do the hair and skincare weekly, but the nails, I do this about every 2 to 3 weeks, especially if they're like shorter nails. It definitely lasts a little bit longer. And I wish I would have done this like back in my college days, because I probably would be like super stacked right now. I kid you not, I have saved hundreds if not thousands of dollars doing my own press-on nails. You can never go wrong. They're always the correct shape, color that you want. It's just pre-done, and all you simply do is make sure you have a good technique and your glue is really good, as you guys saw. And I absolutely love doing this, especially keeping my skin as clear as possible and really keeping up with my skincare routine, because right now I'm not technically wearing any true makeup. I have a bare face right now with just my brows filled in and some mascara and of course some lip gloss. So I try my best to keep my skin or my base very clear so that when I do my makeup, the makeup is flawless. But that is pretty much what I do, you guys. Very affordable, and like I said, I just pride myself on being very self-sufficient when it comes to doing my own hair, skin, and nails, and I love it. But let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below, and any other skincare products that I should probably try out, and some nail brands. You guys, I love Glamnetic, definitely always in my stash, but I'm so open to more. And if you know anyone who does custom nails, hit me up. I would love to try them. But as always, more videos to come, so make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.